Good morning everyone. So I am about to cook some breakfast. It is Sunday morning. I'm feeling a lot better. And I'm about to take my Hedman gummies. So I always take it in the morning because I feel like if I don't, I will forget to take them. Alright, so on the menu for breakfast is going to be some banana pancakes. So let's get to cooking. Hey guys, so it is almost 4 o'clock and I'm actually gonna start some dinner. Richard marinated some chicken. I was gonna say something else, but yeah, he marinated some chicken and he cooked the rice and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook it now. I opened the window up because I feel like every time I cook like chicken or steak in the kitchen, it gets like really smoky. So I like to open up the window and just let some steam out. Food trucks. Take your time. Hey, OZZIE. I love like crispy chicken. I ended up putting a little bit of oil to crisp mine. I love salt. How is it? It's your marination, no?
Chicken.
Oh, that'll be good. Is it crispy? But tender? Hey guys, so I'm just gonna do my hair and makeup. Well, I'm doing my makeup right now. And yeah, I gotta run some errands today. It is Monday, and of course, I gotta do my favorite thing, which is grocery shopping. No, I really hate it. I really don't like going to the grocery store, but sometimes you just gotta do what you have to do. So I'm gonna put my Patrick towel here on my face. OZZIE is feeling a lot better. I think he got kennel cough, which I don't know how he would have gotten it, but yeah, he got kennel. I'm pretty sure he got kennel cough. I mean, it wasn't determined what it really was because we didn't take him to the doctors because it wasn't that serious. That's the thing. We wanted to make sure that like he was gonna be okay, and we ended up getting a medicine for him at PetSmart, and it literally helped after he took it. 20 minutes later, like he was not coughing anymore, he wasn't drooling anymore. So I feel like, you know, that helped a lot. And then we monitored him throughout the night and he got better. The next day he was normal. So that's why but I did book a doctor's appointment just in case he woke up and he was not better. So I ended up canceling it, and I told the lady that he felt better and to open up that slot again for somebody who needs it like more than OZZIE. I can't wait to dye my hair again. I feel like it's right now like like 3 different colors, and I don't like that. We have a wedding in January, so I actually want to go darker. And I have extensions, so I want it to kind of in a way match my extensions, but I also don't want to have 3 different colors in my hair. So my hair is a very stubborn hair, so it's very hard for me to do anything that's light. But yeah, we have a wedding to go to, and I have about 30 pounds to drop. And I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna really just try my best to eat clean and not eat any like junk food, which I don't already, because my body just rejects it. Like I have a pretty sensitive stomach already as it is, so I try not to eat too much junk. When I was a young kid though, jeez, I remember I used to like scoff at least minimum of 6 cheeseburger and nothing would happen to me. I'd be fine. Now if I did that, I'll be in the toilet for the next couple of days, and it's crazy. But yeah. Alright guys, so I'm done with my hair and makeup. Now I'm gonna go and get the groceries and do a couple of other errands and stuff. So let's go do my favorite thing in the world. cute, but I hate cooking. I know, I don't know what happened to me.